Ever wondered why your vision isn't as sharp as it used to be? You're certainly not alone. In our modern world, the health of our eyes is increasingly compromised. Excessive screen time, a constant companion of our digital age, can strain our eyes, leading to blurry vision or even more serious issues over time. Age as well plays a significant role in deteriorating vision. As we get older, our eyes naturally lose their flexibility and clarity. It's a part of life, but it doesn't mean we can't do anything about it. And let's not forget nutrition. A diet lacking in essential vitamins and minerals can have a direct impact on our sight. After all, our eyes, like any other part of our body, need proper nourishment to function optimally. Maintaining good vision is vital for our overall health and quality of life. So, what if a simple drink could help improve your vision? Intriguing, isn't it? Introducing the Miracle Drink, a powerful concoction packed with essential nutrients for your eyes. This elixir is not just another health fad, but a scientifically backed solution to common vision problems. So what makes this drink so miraculous? It's a blend of 3 vision-friendly ingredients: carrots, oranges, and spinach. Carrots, rich in beta-carotene, are converted into vitamin A in our bodies, a vital nutrient for good vision. Oranges, filled with vitamin C, help fight age-related vision loss. Lastly, spinach, packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, protects the eyes from harmful light. But don't just take our word for it. Numerous studies confirm the effectiveness of these ingredients in maintaining and even improving vision. For instance, a study published in the Archives of Ophthalmology found that high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin in the diet can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Ready to learn how to prepare this vision-boosting beverage? Stay tuned. Preparing this eye-healthy drink is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's dive into the process, shall we? First things first, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, a handful of fresh blueberries, 2 cups of chopped kale, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and 2 cups of almond milk. Each of these ingredients is a powerhouse in its own right, packed with vitamins and nutrients that are essential for maintaining good eye health. The ripe avocado, a rich source of lutein and zeaxanthin, is known to improve the health of the macula, the part of the eye that's responsible for detailed central vision. Blueberries, on the other hand, are loaded with antioxidants that can protect your eyes from harmful free radicals. The chopped kale is another superfood you'll want to include. It's high in both vitamin A and vitamin C, which are known to protect your eyes from harmful light and keep the surface of your eyes healthy. And then we have the humble chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for eye health as they help maintain the health of the retina. Finally, the almond milk. It's not just a tasty alternative to regular milk, but also a good source of vitamin E, which can help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Now, let's get to the preparation. Start by pitting and peeling the avocado, then toss it into your blender. Follow this with your blueberries, chopped kale, and chia seeds. Pour in your almond milk and blend until smooth. Yes, it's that simple. Pro tip: if you like your drinks a bit colder, feel free to add a few ice cubes before blending. And there you have it. Your delicious drink that's not just refreshing, but also a boon for your eyes. Enjoy this tasty concoction, knowing that every sip is a step towards healthier vision. Now that you know the secret to better vision, it's time to put it into action. Don't just sit there, it's time to blend those ingredients and pour yourself a glass of this miraculous drink. Let's embark on this journey to improved vision together. Why not make it a challenge? Try consuming this drink on a regular basis for the next 30 days. Observe the changes in your vision, note them down, and don't forget to share them with us. We'd love to hear your experiences, your observations, and how this drink is impacting your life. This is not just a drink, it's a step towards self-care, towards a healthier and a better you. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. So here's to a life seen through a better lens, a life seen with better vision. Share your journey towards better vision with us. Remember, your health is your wealth. Until next time, keep those peepers healthy.